Hey guys, it's Apollo here, and today I'm going to do the unboxing of the SD Gundam Cross Silhouette Unicorn Gundam 3 Phenex Destroy Mode Narrative Version. Right, here is the box itself. Now, I have this guy for quite a while right now, and I've kind of forgot to actually do the unboxing right now, so yeah, I figured, it's actually gonna get it over and done with. Like, really, I really forgot about this guy actually being in my backlog, so I kind of forgot about doing unboxing. So yeah, let's do the unboxing. So yeah, here is the unicorn Gundam itself. Now, I have to say, well, there's so many unicorns out there. I don't know how many unicorns they were made already, and I'm surprised they actually started off with the Phenex rather than the first unicorn or the Banshee. I mean, I don't know, like, I like SD, so that's why I got the Phenex, but from seeing the promo images of this guy, it's pretty much full of like, wow, it's much more promising than like the older SD. But in some ways, I'll say if I'm gonna do a review, I'll tell you what's good about the Cross Silhouette version and what's good about the BB Senshi version. So yeah, that's my unboxing. So here's the box. There's the Phenex right there. As usual, like the Phenex, that's pretty yeah, it's pretty good. But yeah, basically you can show the detail right here. Basically, especially because you can give it the Cross Silhouette frame to make it like more better articulation and better movement out of it. So I wish it's kind of gold because gray, yeah, the joints will be gray and top will be gray. So the dice and the fives will be gray. Yeah, and on the side, it's like it looks like unpainted. If you can focus, there we go. And you can change the eyes from the cartoony eyes to the serious eyes, and it comes the armor DMs have the stabilizers, which are kind of meh. They're okay. And unfortunately, it doesn't mention how much it costs, but if I remember correctly, this costs about 1,200 yen. And yeah, it's gonna open live as usual. I really forgot to unbox this guy. Like, I had him in my collection for quite a while right now. Alright, so unbox. First pack, we got the C2 plate and the C1 plate, which is basically it's a Cross Silhouette frame for the unicorn. And yep, I can see some parts that need painted, and I can see some parts that from the Phenex. Yep, and there's the V-fin. It's nice. I can see. Although it has some clear parts on the legs, I personally prefer the BB Senshi version on the legs because you have much more color separation than this over here. So it's alright. I mean, for a Cross Silhouette frame, it's alright. It is in destroy mode, so can't do much of it. The C3 plate, again, you get more parts. Basically for the armor DEs, the arms, the beam saber, and whatnot, like the tails, the stabilizers, and the Cross Silhouette frame. And then the back, you got most of the cycle frame, which honestly, there's not a lot of blue in this kit. I mean, not a lot of cycle frame as much as I thought it would be. But you know, it's okay for what it is. Yeah, the stickers are the sticker will go on the shield. It's the same as the BB Senshi version. So nothing too surprising here. Yeah, the blue, yes, a bit hollow. The backpack. Again, the backpack on the BB Senshi version, there's a clear part in there. And the B Magna, it's an okay B Magnum, though. I prefer the BB Senshi version because it's two pieces. This one is one piece. It's a little bit on the thin side, but it's okay. I mean, it's not as thin as like the extender, so that's like I'll give that. Yeah, and there's the backpack part to put the armor DEs. Okay, I will put a little annotation below to see whether it goes, the cycle frame goes on the backlight. Yep, the assembly instructions as usual, from the Gunpla. And instruction manual, yeah, basically the same thing, like all the SD15. Yep, basically start with the, yeah, you can be the SD frame or the Cross Silhouette frame, up to you. And here is the waist, and then the armor DEs, and the beam magnum there, and a beam saber. Yep, and they give you two beam sabers, which is kind of rare for a SD to actually give it two beam sabers. So that's neat. So yeah, that's my unboxing of the SD Phenex, as you call it, Phenex. It's okay. I mean, I'm currently building my hybrid Phenex right now, and I don't know when we're building this guy, but I will try to get this guy building and get the review out of the way. And yeah, hopefully you guys will enjoy the review. So yeah, so guys, thank you for watching this unboxing, and stay tuned for more videos. Peace out.